Hi guys, so today in this video I am going to show you how you can recover your deleted account in very short period right after you have deleted that account. Okay, so over here you can see this button, recover your account. I am going to hit it now, and over here it's asking me to upload the data of that account. Okay, so account deleted, yes, this account was recently deleted and may be recoverable. Click next to attempt to restore this account. Okay, over here next, and this was my password. Okay, next, and boom, unable to sign into your Google account. Delete cookies. How to clear cache cookies? Okay, so as I can see that my account is signed in, but it's showing me the message that I have to clear my cookies. Why this is happening, I don't know, but let me take you to my Google account. So okay, personal info, yeah, boom, as you can see I have restored this account of mine that I have recently deleted permanently from the Google. Okay, so stay blessed, have a good day, bye bye.